Making a choice for a new garage door or maintaining and repairing an existing garage door might require the assistance of a qualified professional. You might need to consider things like quality of the materials, durability in various weather conditions, replacing parts, and professional installation. If you need any assistance in making any of these decisions, feel free to contact us at www.garatex.ca. We hope this video was of assistance to you in making the right decisions about your garage door. Thanks for watching.